Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the concept of numbers. What are numbers? See, children, numbers are groups of digits. Numbers always start from 10 and continues to unlimited. Example 17. See, children, in this number, in another way, in this group, that is in 17, we can see two digits. The first digit is 1 and the second digit is 7. So 17 is a group of two digits. The first is 1 and the second is 7. Okay, go to this number, that is 245. Okay, this is a number. In another way, we can say 245 is a group of three digits. The first digit is 2, the second digit is 4, and the third digit is 5. Now go to this number, that is 7329. In another way, we can say this is a group of four digits. The first digit is 7, the second digit is 3, the third digit is 2, and the fourth digit is 9. Go to this number, that is 93,152. Okay, this is a group of 5 digits. The first digit is 9, the second digit is 3, the third digit is 1, the fourth digit is 5, and the fifth digit is 2. Thank you, children.